Here is how to create a group on Xchat, I mean. Now, click on the Xchat application to have it open on your PC, because I'm actually on PC. Then this actually only shows if you have created a pin, but if you have not created a pin, it's not going to prompt you to enter your pin. But if you already have your pin created, every time you try to access it, you have to enter in your pin to make sure it's actually accurate with the correct pin. Alright guys, so the next thing you need to do is to click on this plus icon right here. Now you click on that and you notice it just displays this area, and then you can do create a group. Now when you have selected to create a group, go ahead and select the people that you actually want to create a group with. Once you're done selecting them, you click on next. This is going to load up and bring you to the next page where it actually finalizes your group. Now this is the group and it has 4 people in them. Now you can actually click on this 3-dotted area, or you click on the name to actually edit the group. Now you click on this name. Now it's going to prompt or rather pop up this section where you actually do some other settings like enabling if you want to enable disappearing message on the group, or if you want to block screenshots on the group, like you do not want people to take a screenshot on the group, you can actually enable that. And also you can also enable this if you want it to have a group invite so that people can invite people to the group. Enable this, and when you enable this, people can actually see it and invite their friends to the group. Now after you must have done that, you can go ahead and back out. Now, another thing you can do is to actually add more member. If you want to add more member, you click on add more member. You'll be able to see all of the people you previously chat with. They are all going to be here, or probably your friends. And you can also search for their names right here, and you are going to see all of them. Now, if you do not have anybody you want to invite personally, you can also go ahead and make somebody an admin if probably that is what you want. Click on the 3-dotted icon, and it's going to drop down some option for you to make either set a different name or make the person an admin, or maybe remove the person from the group. I am going to actually do the remove very soon. Now, once you're done, that is actually it. And also don't forget that you can always leave the conversation, or you clear the conversation whenever you want to. So you can also start a video call if you want to. And if you click on this pencil icon, you can actually make further edit. For instance, the group name. I'm just going to say all right. The reason why I'm putting this name like this is so that these people would know, because I didn't tell them personally that I'm doing any tutorial. So I do not want them to feel bad or to feel like, why am I being added to this weird group? So, another thing, you can actually change the profile name. I forgot to say that you can actually click on this area and then you change the profile name. Let me go to my downloads and then just use just about any image. Let me say this image. So just click on save. Just click on save, and then the profile image and the name of the group just changed to just tutorial, and then the profile just changed to also this image. So I think this is actually all. And if you want to do further changes, you can also click on this down this 3-dotted area, and then you do further changes. There is nothing much in this, and you can also mute the group if you do not want to be receiving notification. This is actually very easy to do. The reason for this tutorial is for anybody that actually need to learn how to do it. So I hope it's helpful. If you have further questions regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one. And while I'm at that, let me go ahead and remove everyone else, because very soon if they come online, they will be like, who is this person? They might even block me for adding them to the group. That would be bad for me. But anyway, I just removed them to the group from the group, and then I am going to go ahead and click on this 3-dotted icon to remove myself also. Hold on. Click on the 3-dotted icon, clear every conversation, confirm that I want to clear every conversation in the group, and then click on the 3-dotted icon again, and then click on the 3-dotted icon and then leave conversation, and that's after I confirm will be the end of the group. And you can see clearly the group has ended. And do not forget, anytime you create a group and you cannot find them, probably you have so many messages, you can always click on this drop down area where it says all and you choose group. But because I do not have any group, it's always going to remain empty. So That is all for this video. If it helped you, smash like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay safe. Peace.